Can you walk me through the list of stocks that have, let's say, got like massive returns in the last few years,
Hmm.
and then उसको कैसे identify कर सकते हैं लोग so that they can also make money in options?
Sure. So let's do this. I have something prepared very well for you. I think the first बहुत ही important question है कि why do most people fail? क्योंकि SEBI says about 93-94% of the trader does not make money. So let's understand what are things that they are doing wrong and what are the things that some of the ones who are doing it right. So let's reveal the secret, okay?
Mhm.
So before that, I read this book called as How to Make Money in Stocks by William O'Neill. एंड वो बंदे ने एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चीज की. ही यूज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज एनएलपी, न्यूरो लिंग्विस्टिक प्रोग्रामिंग. उसने क्या किया, जो भी मल्टी बैगर स्टॉक्स है ना, उनकी हिस्ट्री निकाली. जो भी मिनिमम 100 200 300% से बड़े हुए हो फ्रॉम 1920s, ओके, एंड 1000%, 2000%, लाइक जेरोक्स, railway roads, because that time was the era of railroads in the US. And he figured out there are certain formulas that really worked. And the formula which stands for is called as CANSLIM. And CANSLIM stands for CANSLIM, which stands for current earning, annual earning, and stands for new high, 52-week high, or a new management. Titan was a classic case of new management. Or a new product. Like Maggie for Nestle was a new product which really changed its fate. Supply and demand, institutional ownership, I for institutional, and M for market direction.
L क्या है?
लीडर्स और रेगार्ड्स. हर एक इंडस्ट्री में एक साइकिल में एक नए लीडर्स आते हैं. लाइक इन कोविड, फार्मा वाज द लीडर, ओके. देन केम द ऑटो, then recently we have seen a lot of NBFC, and now we are seeing a commodity cycle. So every period comes out with its own set of new leaders, so you have to figure out whether your stock is into that there or not.
M क्या बताया आपने?
M for market direction. The
Okay.
stock market, the index, the Sensex or the Nifty should be trading above its 200-day moving average. Because अगर वो नहीं है ना, तो ये बाकी कुछ भी नहीं चलेगा. So that is the most important thing. Although it's the last letter, but it's the most powerful letter. So like this, let's do our Indian market analysis. And you can see over here in last year, we figured out which are the stocks which has moved the most in a broader universe. And we figured out there was a stock like Shaili Engineering which moved up 244, Shakti Pumps 341, PG Electroplast 451% in a year's time.
एक साल में?
Yes.
और ये कौन सा ईयर है?
A24.
अच्छा.
Okay.
Wow. तो एक साल में 4.5 times हुआ है,
Yes.
मतलब 5.5 times हुआ ना वो basically,
Yeah.
because 450% gain है.
Yeah.
Wow.
So पहले तो उनको समझते कि उनमें क्या हुआ था जो हम
Okay.
लोग रेप्लिकेट कर सकते फ्यूचर लीडर्स के लिए.
Sure.
And
आपने ये स्टॉक्स में ट्रेड किया था तीनों में?
नहीं, अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई वाज इनटू मजगांव डॉक व्हिच इज दिस वन.
Okay.
क्योंकि आपके पास इतने सारे ऑप्शंस आते हैं
Hmm.
कि यू कैन नॉट बाय एवरीथिंग. एंड यू नो समटाइम्स माय डैड और मेरी हमेशा फाइट चलती रहती है. आई टेल हिम द नॉलेज इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इन द स्टॉक मार्केट, एंड ही सेज नो, तेरा नॉलेज कुछ काम का नहीं है जब तक तेरा लक तेरे साथ में नहीं है. So I think so the people who were lucky and who has really made it big were risk takers but also very lucky. And in that case I was little lucky. I would not say Mazgaon Dog is something that I got into, and then I bought it into CDSL as well, and BSC. And recently I had a nice move in Anand Rathi stock. Anand Rathi Wealth, yeah.
Okay.
ठीक है? So let's zoom into a few of the examples.
So ये कौन सी लिस्ट है? ये वाली जो
ये भी 100% से ज्यादा, मतलब so many stocks made more than 100% return per year.
एक साल में?
Yes.
तो कितने स्टॉक्स है ऐसे टोटल जिन्होंने 100%
I
से
think so
ज्यादा
it's like
किया?
5 और ये कुछ 20 एक और रह गए. And इससे भी ज्यादा रह गए. We have taken a universe of BSE or NSE 500.
Okay.
Okay.
अच्छा, तो ये टॉप 500
500
कंपनीज में से ही है?
जी हाँ.
अच्छा, बाकी वो माइक्रो कैप्स
तो
वो इसमें है भी
उसमें
नहीं.
मल्टीप्लायर तो उसमें तो 1000% ही हो जाते थे.
Correct.